All right, and we are back. And then let me tell y'all something right here. These SP1200 sampling percussion system sounds, these are the ones. Like, I got them on Pad Bank C. I'm gonna let y'all listen to a couple of them. Like that. And this one, yeah, like open head. I don't know what that is, but it's gonna work today. I think it's a crash. Shakers, snare. That snare, yeah, that's it. That, I don't like that. But there's more sounds on there. These are the ones I just loaded up. But yeah, this was a good buy. You can find these on eBay. For real. Like all three of these, I think it was like $10 plus shipping. So I think altogether it was like $15. Probably less than that, but definitely. I just search on eBay, MPC Sims, and you'll find all these jobs.